welcome to my channel, Allah's Yummy Food. And today I want to show you one of the most requested and most popular video ever, or recipe is beef котлеты. So in Russian it's like котлетки из говядины, and in English it's like beef meatballs. This is the closest that I could translate it to. We eat them a lot in Latvia, we eat them in all ex-Soviet Union countries, and every single country has its own recipe and variation of this specific dish. But I want to show you mine. I want to show you the one that my babushka, grandmother, showed me, and I grew up on them. They're so delicious, so yummy and juicy and soft, and you can have them with anything, with rice, potatoes, buckwheat, with just salad if you're on a no-carb diet. They're amazing, honestly guys, and they're so easy to make, and I usually make a huge batch of them and then freeze some of them and just reheat it for dinner because it's so easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought, or if you're going to make them. I'd love to hear from you guys. And of course, subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and I upload new videos every single week. Now, let's get started. Take potato, peel it and wash it and place it onto your board along with onions and garlic. So we're just gonna cut the potato into quarters because we're going to blitz everything together. So it doesn't have to be much smaller than that. We're gonna do the same with our onion, just chop it in half and then in half again. So in your food processor, add your onion, your potatoes, and also your garlic all together. Just place it inside. I like to use a lot of garlic, you can use a bit less if you wish. Then add your salt, and then add your pepper, and then add 1 egg. Close the lid and blitz everything together until it becomes nice and smooth puree, just like this. Then for a bit of kick, I like to add mustard, but this is optional, and mix everything together one more time. Then we're gonna add our minced beef. So you can use a combination of beef and pork if you're making it like that. These are 100% beef ones, so I'm only using beef. So put all your beef inside into your food processor and then blitz it again one more time. All of the ingredients should mix together, and the color of the meat will change because obviously it's incorporated together with your potato and other bits. Then put your meat into a large bowl, add your milk, and then mix everything together with a spoon until everything is combined. Milk makes the meat really nice and juicy, so that's what we want. The mixture should look just like this. Guys and girls, you can find the full recipe on my website. It should be on my homepage when it's a new recipe. On my blog, but then you can also search for it. All my recipes are translated in English and Russian languages with video instructions as well as the written recipe. Next, when the mixture has cooled down a little bit, you can put it in the fridge. We're going to add some breadcrumbs onto a plate, and we're going to take a large tablespoon of your beef mixture. Make sure that your hands are a bit wet, it makes it easier to roll the cutlets. So just roll them into any shape or size you want. This is the standard one we have. But again, if you may be making smaller meatballs or larger ones, like a burger type, you can do that. And then you want to dip it into your breadcrumbs from both sides twice, and then pat it down and then place it onto your board. So it should look just like that. I like to do most of my cutlets at the same time, at least it fills the board so I can fry them. And I like to use oil, just any oil that you have, sunflower or vegetable oil, along with the butter, because it makes it nice and juicy and crispy and gives that a golden color. So wait until the butter and oil gets really nice and hot, and only then place your cutlets. We're going to place them about 4 or 5 at a time. You don't want to overfill them because you want to make sure they're nice and cooked well. And you're going to fry these for about 5 to 8 minutes on each side. You will be able to see the color when you turn them around, and you're definitely going to be able to smell them. They smell so good. So just twist them around, move them, and cook them on the other side on a low to medium heat. You always want to test one just in case, so you can place it on a plate and cut it and see if it's done. When you think they're done, just put them onto a plate and they're ready to be eaten. Like I said previously, you can serve this with anything that you have in your kitchen, pasta, rice, salad, and it goes really, really, really well. So there you go, guys, delicious beef meatball котлетки or котлеты. When you cut inside, you will be able to see the meat is cooked throughout. It's a crispy topping. It's super juicy, so I wanted to show you, if you press on the cutlet, how much juice comes out, and they are so yummy. Just look at that, amazing, so yummy. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out all my other recipes, and I'll see you soon.